In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klaviyo for email marketing. You first need to create a list of your target customers. So we'll need to go to Audience, Lists and Segments. And after that, we'll need to click Create New, Create List. So for example, our list name will be New Subscribers. Create List. Go. So in order to add contacts to this list, you can either upload a CSV file with their emails, or you can just quickly add or manually add those people with their emails. We need to go back to the sidebar and click Campaigns. Here we'll be creating our emails. Let's click Create Campaign. You can change the name if you'd like to. And since this one is for email marketing, let's just click email there. You can select tags as well. Let's click continue. After that, we'll need to click the list that we made earlier. Go to tracking and make sure that this one is toggled on so you can track your emails. Continue to content. There you go. So creating a subject line is really easy because there is subject line assistant. You can just click from here. For example, you are announcing a new product. Type is bestsellers. Now enter the product name, for example, leather bag. And put the adjectives here. You'll be able to see the subject lines that are suggested here. And just fill up these other fields as you like. So your email can be in the form of text, HTML, or drag and drop. For drag and drop, you'll be welcomed by templates here. But if you'd like to unleash your creativity, you can just create a blank email and put any design you'd like on your email. Now, if you wish to continue and just have a plain text, let's click this. Let's click text only. You can type whatever you desire to put here. You can also customize the fonts and the sizes. If you are satisfied, or maybe you just like to test these email or preview the mail, you can click preview email, preview now, and you'll be able to see how it will look like when received. Let's close preview. Now, if you are okay with this, click Save Content. You can also create A/B test. Just scroll down here. This will help you to view your craft when sent. But if you're satisfied with everything, you can now continue to review. Ready to send, schedule or send. You can either schedule this email or send it now. We can just click send now. Send now. Now let's return to campaigns. So from the list view of the campaigns, you can monitor the percentage of people who opened or clicked the email. Also, you can view some integration related matters here if you click this drop down box here. Shopify integration and viewed products. There you go. That's about it. That's how you can use Klaviyo for email marketing. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.